Ever dreamt of a cheesy bread that's not just delicious but also good for your heart and mind? Well, your culinary dreams are about to come true. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need whole grain bread, low-fat cheese, olive oil, garlic, and a handful of your favorite herbs. Start by brushing your bread with olive oil, then toast it until it's golden brown. Spread minced garlic over the bread for that extra zing. Now it's cheese time. Layer your low-fat cheese evenly and pop it back into the oven until it's bubbly and irresistible. Sprinkle your herbs and voila! You've just made your very own heart and mind-friendly cheesy bread. This bread isn't just tasty, it's a feast for your health. The whole grain bread provides fiber, the olive oil gives you healthy fats, and the low-fat cheese delivers protein without the excess calories. So why not give it a try? It's simple, delicious, and your heart and mind will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this recipe, remember to hit the subscribe button for more heart-healthy culinary delights. Until next time, keep cooking with love and care.